Welcome to our channel. When using the IRS Online portal, clipboard access needs to be handled carefully to protect your sensitive financial information. Follow these steps to use clipboard features safely. Step 1. Visit the official IRS website at irs.gov using a secure internet connection, preferably from a trusted private network. Step 2. Log in to your IRS Online account using your credentials, ensuring you're on the legitimate IRS website. Step 3. When copying sensitive information like account numbers or tax IDs, make sure no one is watching your screen. Step 4. Clear your clipboard after pasting sensitive information by copying neutral text like a single space or letter. Step 5. Avoid using Clipboard Manager apps or browser extensions that store clipboard history when working with tax information. Step 6. Never copy and paste sensitive IRS data into unsecured applications, email, or messaging platforms. Step 7. Be aware that some clipboard managers may sync across devices, potentially exposing sensitive information on other devices. Step 8. After finishing your IRS online session, restart your browser or use incognito mode for sensitive transactions to clear temporary data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.